Mistake number two. The mistake number two is that menu cards are not designed to sell. What I see that in most of the F&B outlets, the menu cards are designed nicely and look attractive. But when we think about the function of menu cards, it's not only to show what they can offer and cost of those dishes. Hello, my name is Prashant Kumar, a hospitality management consultant and sales strategist, author of the book Check In with Every Check-In. I help independent hoteliers scale their business, boost profits, boost ratings, and build a better performing team. As per my personal experiences as well as the facts shared by the different hoteliers, menu card is one of the tools to sell the items available at your place. And for that, this tool should be designed not only attractively but strategically. What do I mean by strategically? As per me, no matter what kind of F&B outlet you have, the menu card must be segregated based on the segments. As per me, the menu card should be segregated in 6 segments irrespective of the categories of the food. So now let us look on how they should be segmented. The first one is easy to decide items. These are the items which are general and also names commonly, so your customers can recognize them easily and place the order in case they are not too fussy and concerned about the time and cost. These items are served the fastest. Your margins will be lesser than the average one, as mostly people who choose these items, they compare the prices and they want fast service. The second segment is primary items. These are the items which sell like hotcakes for category of the people who like to be at your place, enjoy the service, enjoy the ambience. These items take little extra time in preparation as well as cost is higher, and here your margin is average. The third one is special items like chef's signature dishes, specialty of the location or your restaurant. In this segment, items offered based on the location as well as chef. So here the items must be famous locally or in which your chef is specialized. Okay, so let me make it more clear for you. If your restaurant is located in Kolkata, people know that this city is famous for the fish curry. So for you in this category, you must have variety of fishes prepared differently. Or if your restaurant is located in Nasik and you are not finding any famous food which may attract people, your chef can come up with his own special recipes, or you can create a signature dish of your restaurant. The fourth one is the low calorie food. As we are aware that these days some people are very health conscious and you may get some of them who ask for such food. This segment you must have to boost your profits, as the customers who prefer these dishes are calorie conscious and not bothered about the cost. The fifth one is kids menu. If it is a family restaurant, you need to have some special dishes for the kids, as when they come and you offer something special for them, they and their parents feel good, as they think that this is the place where kids are taken care of. Also, kids subconsciously understand that this is the place where they are given a special treatment, and that attracts them as well as their parents. Again, in these dishes, your margin can be higher, as when it comes to the kids, usually parents don't compromise their happiness. The sixth one is the chef on demand or chef at your table. These are the dishes which are not even written in the menu. Just that section is empty with some of the images. This is for the high-end customers who are not bothered about the time, cost, as well as what you have to offer. They are only concerned about what they want to eat. These are the people who only give preference to their choices and also they are ready to pay for it. This segment helps you to make people feel special, create brand value, as well as enhance your profits. Yes, the most important thing is to manage this segment. Your team must be highly trained in sales. Then only this segment will help you in building your brand as well as getting better profits. So this was the mistake number 2 made by most of the independent hoteliers, because of which their profits remain low. So if you want me or my team to help you in designing your menu strategically, call on the number displayed on the screen so we can help you in designing your menu strategically and your profit goes higher. Bye for now.